physically means that here is a solar panel. It will take light from the sunlight from the sun and convert into electrical energy by solar energy. So solar energy can be converted into electrical energy by this use. Let's move to the next topic. Here is a wire connected to the battery. Here is a battery and solar light will charge this battery. Okay. So this solar light, when the battery is charged, it has a diode in it. A diode means has two terminals, one positive and second negative. If positive terminal has the more charges from the negative terminal, the electricity will flow, or otherwise it will not flow. Okay. So the main problem for creating this innovation is that the distribution of electricity is so simple, but in this 20% of or more percentage or less percentage of electricity is lost. Now it is lost and it always stays. So we can use this wastage as a benefit in our lifetime. Now let us move to how can we save this electricity. This electricity can be saved by this model. Just as the electricity waste is goes to the air purifier. Here's the air purifier. It has a three layer. First is this carbon layer, second cotton layer, and third is a small cotton layer that filters small dust particles. Okay, the air comes from this side. No, sorry, the air comes from this side. The particles are collected in air pollution, and the fresh air moves from that side. In this side, air from polluted air is moved from this side and taken out by this side. Okay, moving to the next topic. Here, the battery, it has a green battery. But what about the next charges? These chargers can be used in the street light to burn the light and also as an EV charging station. Now, what is an EV charging station? EV charging station is a charging station that is used to charge electric vehicles. Okay, so this project can be used for the environment, renewable sources such as coal and other sources that produce electricity, and also our fossil fuel also. Because of fossil fuel, coal is produced. So it can also help it. Okay? Now take now about power station. I will tell you about power station. The power station has an adapter. It is an adapter to charge EV. Now I doesn't have a power station, so I only put the car. Okay? So this was my project. Thank you.
धूप में रखते हो तो ये काम करता है?
Yes, sir. I charge it.
Now, where you can set up this project?
On the road we can set up,
And the region?
and the reason is that because in the distribution of electricity, some electricity are waste. To save that electricity, we have built this project.
Now, how you can sell
We
electricity?
can save electricity as electricity has come from solar charging, and in the distribution 20% is waste. So from that point we will take a wire and put it in an air purifier that will purify air and the environment will be safe, and then it will take to the this EV station. And EV station will be also efficient to save coal.
Now, how many setup can be done for one single EV station?
No, one thing, you said purified air will come out from there and then it will go through this. How will it take turn by itself?
Ma'am, it will not take turn, ma'am. Here will be the wind or here will be the wind. But this ventilator.
It's just a ventilator is
One
there.
minute, ma'am.
Running that.
Just like magnet. Street light is used.
No, I'm talking about, you said no, fresh air, purified air will come from there and it will
When
go
the
to-
ventilator lets the air pass from it, and when the air will pass, polluted particles will be here. It is a particle container that conducts small particles in between them, and then it will follow a fresh air outside.
a function of this one, the round like
That is running.
Yeah.
No, this one, the white thing, a function of that, yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is. Ma'am, it is trucking in in this piece.
What's the function of that?
Ma'am, it will take air from that side and pull fresh air from that side.
Your idea related with to provide a street light through it.
Yeah.
One thing. Another,
To save
you are making, you are purifying air on the road also. Dust particle and several things are on the road.
Yes, sir.
You are providing purified air through this.
Yes, sir.
And the waste energy which you consume to the power station. And what will done there?
Here we will done the electric cars. People does not take electric cars because of that. He will charge it and move to different places. Now in between the the car is discharged. So what I do? If I have my
electric station power.
yes, ma'am. So that's why electric car can also be considered in
Charge the vehicles.
मतलब providing eco-friendly environment, you know.
Yes, sir. We will provide eco-friendly.
चलिए हो गया।
अच्छा
उठना है।
हाँ ये
तुम भी कुछ बोलोगे, तुमको भी कुछ बोलना है।
question from audience also.
He explained about that the air take from this side and purify from this side. And he said, and all the air are in the atmosphere. But after purifying the air, ultimately all the air will be mixed. Then how will it work? How will it protect the human life, related to the pollution?
First, I tell you that in this case, polluted air will be at the side of that because it will struck it. It will attach it towards itself, and then the fresh air will be from that side.
No, I am not saying about that. I am saying about that this device have some capacity to acquire some air at a
It
time.
is only-
One minute. After other rest air will be left in the atmosphere. After the fresh air come from that device, then ultimately that fresh or pure air ultimately mixed with the polluted air. How will it work?
If we put this on a large scale, there will be very small pollution, and fresh air will move outside and not mix with the polluted air.
You mean to reducing the intensity of pollution?
Yes, sir.
So you have said on a large scale, but in the in big cities or big town, there are too much pollution. The factories releasing carbon dioxide and other too much harmful gases. Then at a time, then the factories releasing the harmful gases, and at the same time, this device release a pure water, pure air. Then
Purified air. Purified air.
yes, then both mix up, and again it become in what
My
Polluted.
my model is to reduce the intensity of pollution. Now pollution will be here collected, and fresh air will move outside. If we do it in a large scale, some polluted particles is attracted here and stuck here, but other will go out. From this process, around 15 to 20 years, we can abolish pollution.
नहीं, इसका ये कहना है कि जो फिजिक उसमें पार्टिकल्स है, पोल्यूशन तो दो तरह का होगा ना। एक होगा मतलब केमिकल जो कंपाउंड होगा उसके कारण उसमें पोल्यूशन होगा, जैसे गैसेज मिला हुआ है, तो उसको उसमें कैसे अलग करेगा? देयर इज नो टेक्निक। मीथेन की मात्रा उसमें अधिक है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की मात्रा अधिक है, उसको ओनली फिजिकल जो पोल्यूटिंग एजेंट है, I think those particles will be segregated from the polluted air. Otherwise, chemical जो compounds हैं वो उसी में रहेगा।
For the road environment, where vehicles are in moving
कहते हैं ना कि गुणकर्म बहुत अधिक है हवा
he
में।
is trying to explain.
one thing I have
गैस के जो कंपोनेंट आगे पीछे रहेंगे उसे
दूसरा क्वेश्चन उसका ये था कि हम जो समझे। दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि तुम कह रहे हो कि अनपॉल्यूटेड जो है प्यूरिफाइड एयर जो है तो उस तरफ जाता है। अब फिर जो है ना इससे मिक्स हो जाएगा, तो फिर इससे जो बता रहे हो कि इससे फिर जो निकलता है प्यूरिफाइड तो कैसे
Sir, it will go from that side.
नहीं ये होगा मैं उसमें जो
वो continue
बोलकर
है,
है ना,
process में रहेगा।